Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at 129 Falahee Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. Has bedrooms on the main level, a full bath, as well as a laundry room. Upstairs offers a master suite with a potential to convert into another 4th bedroom. The kitchen is very spacious, opens up to the formal dining where it has gorgeous hardwood floors. And the best part is this family room. It's very spacious, great for entertaining, and cozy next to the fireplace. If this home interests you, please call Julie Hackworth at 517-206-6426.